Are you ready to delve into the transformative power of leadership in residential childcare? This presentation explores the NCFE CACHE Level 5 Diploma in Leadership and Management, focusing on multi-agency teamwork around children. Discover how leadership roles evolve and the impact on child-centered care. Working in a multi-agency team requires active contribution, not just attendance. My role shifts from delivering care to coordinating others. The risk is that the child might be overshadowed by professionals. My responsibility is to ensure the child remains central and involved. This requires careful monitoring and assessment. Taking responsibility for a team means evolving from a carer to a coordinator. I represent the child's entire plan, not just my agency's part. This role relies on influence rather than authority. I must maintain an overview to prevent gaps between agencies. It's a balancing act of leadership and management. Mintzberg identifies roles managers play, such as figurehead and liaison. In multi-agency settings, I navigate liaison, monitor, and negotiator roles. Understanding these roles helps me perform them intentionally. It's crucial for ensuring the child's needs are met effectively. Coordination blends interpersonal, informational, and decisional roles. The coordinator role demands strong communication across cultures and systems. Negotiation skills are vital for securing commitments from agencies. Boundary management is crucial to balance agency roles. Emotional labor involves managing team tensions while focusing on the child. These demands require a shift in skills from frontline care. The shift to coordination brings benefits and risks. I can drive coordination and keep the child central. However, it can stretch me thin or draw me into others' work. Evaluating these changes helps develop necessary skills. Honest evaluation sets boundaries and prevents overwork. Becoming the lead professional means being the point of contact. I hold the plan, chair meetings, and chase actions. This role relies on credibility and relationships, not authority. It prevents the child from being lost between services. The role's purpose is to keep the child central. It's important to guard against one perspective dominating. Setting boundaries ensures coordination doesn't overshadow core responsibilities. Balancing these roles is key to effective leadership. Coordinating a team around a child is emotionally demanding. Holding tensions between agencies while focusing on the child is draining. Supervision and peer support are essential for resilience. Without support, sustaining the team becomes challenging. Emotional well-being is crucial for effective coordination. Taking responsibility for a team shifts focus from care to alignment. Coordination relies on relationships, not authority. I hold the overview, spotting gaps no agency sees. Setting boundaries prevents coordination from eclipsing home management. This shift is about holding the network together for the child. The team exists for the child, so understanding is crucial. The child must grasp the team's purpose, processes, and progress. This understanding transforms them from subjects to participants. Without it, genuine participation is impossible. Ensuring understanding is an active responsibility, not a passive hope. Explain the team in language the child can understand. Prepare them before meetings, and provide feedback afterward. Offer ways to participate that suit the child. Advocacy can help the child feel heard and understood. This support makes participation real, not tokenistic. Ensure meetings talk with the child, not just about them. The child's understanding and views must shape the plan. If the child doesn't understand, it's a team failure. Active responsibility for the child's involvement is crucial. This criterion safeguards against the child being overshadowed by professionals. Use plain language and visuals to explain the team to the child. Trusted individuals can help communicate effectively. The child's own words should be part of the plan. Overcoming barriers to understanding is essential. Accessible communication ensures the child is informed and engaged. Active participation in monitoring involves more than attendance. Bring honest information, including challenges, to reviews. Hold the team accountable to agreed measures and timescales. Raise concerns early to prevent plan drift. The child's experience should be part of progress evaluation. Use multiple sources for monitoring, like reviews and reports. Looked after reviews check if the care plan is on track. Progress against objectives shows goal achievement. The child's feedback reveals genuine improvement. Effective monitoring relies on diverse, reliable sources. Monitoring is futile without action on findings. Raise issues promptly and use resolution routes when needed. The IRO can challenge care plan drift. Keep the child informed of actions taken. Effective participation includes acting on monitoring results. A team sets objectives to improve school attendance and mental health. Attendance improves, but CAMHS support stalls. Bring evidence from home on both attendance and mental health gaps. Raise CAMS delay as a concern needing action. The child's view is crucial for honest plan evaluation. This approach keeps the child central and the plan effective.